Alright, welcome everyone to today's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to print money while you sleep. My name is Michael Fabulous, you can call me Fab for short. Alright, I'm going to walk you through how I made my money on Bybit using Bybit SPOT LIMIT ORDER method. Okay. Yeah, when I started I used I actually I had about 83,000 or so in my account, so I had to buy USDT with 83,000, and that was about $50. Then I started. So then within 2 weeks, I was able to turn this $50 to over $750. Okay, do the math and tell me the percentage of the profit that I made. So without speaking too much grammar, let's go straight and I will show you how I implemented this method and how I made these crazy amounts. But before we start, just hover to this very point where okay, just go to the bottom of your screen where you see home, market, trade, earn, and asset. Go to your assets because there is something you need to do before you can actually be able to start trading this on the spot market. You need to transfer your fund from this funding account to this unified trading account. If you don't know how to do it, there is a video before this which explain how to transfer money or your fund from your funding account to your unified trading account, and also from your unified trading account to your funding account. Having said that, or actually you can actually just click on this transfer here, go to the screen, then fill out all of this, then you do your stuff. So let's go back to why we are here today. We are here to show you how to print this money in 2 weeks, how to turn $50 to over $700 or $500, depending on how dedicated you are, in just 2 weeks. I did it. You too can do it. Okay. Just to do this, we are going to use Popcart as an example to demonstrate how to do this. All right. Now you have to come down here where you see home, market, trade, earn, and asset. Now click on trade. All right. As you can see, I have some Popcart that I need to sell. These are the ones I bought already. I bought at reasonable price. Okay. When the prices dropped, I had to buy. This is how we do it. This Bybit limit order or market limit order works very simply. Okay, it is just our traditional way of doing business. When you see that the price of a commodity is at its low, you buy it, then you set your selling price. That's all. So what I do is I'll spot a meme coin. Recently, I've been trading Popcart. All right, spot a meme coin that has gone down. I've just look at the chart. Once I look at the chart, I see, oh, okay, this meme coin has gone down. Okay, this is what is happening. Okay, yeah, I'll be like, yeah, let's say this I bought this at 0.1300 and now it is going up. We the price is 0.1458. Okay, now we look at all these charts and see, oh, this is let's say this has gone to, it has gone up to 0.1516 and has gone down to 0.1275. Now come again, this, oh, the day after it has gone down to 0.1384 and has gone up to 0.1505. I'll be like, okay, come here, check this chart. I need to buy again. That's why I'm showing you how I did this, how I apply this strategy. Now it has gone up to 0.1504 and has gone down to 0.1372, and this has gone up to 0.1531, has gone down to 0.1422. This the same thing. Okay, now in the past 4 days, we can see that it has gone down to 0.1424 and has gone up to 0.1524. All right, we can make at least $10 every day or $20 depending on what you need. All right, now if I need to set my buying price, I'll just say 0.1275, then 0.1384. I'm looking at the low, not the high. Okay, 0.1384. In the last 3 days, 0.1372 and 0.1422 and 0.1424. Now I'll be like, okay, let's go here. Let's set this price at 0.1420. To be on the safer side, then I can either slide this all through to use the $139 that I have left. I haven't bought anything with this. I've bought and I've set my selling price, or I can actually drag it down to use a specific amount, or type out the amount that I need to use, let's say 120. Okay, or drag it up, use the whole method. Let's use 120 for this demonstration. Okay, now we are buying at 0.1420, and the coin is selling at 0.1460. I think I'll have to take it down a bit. Let me just put it at 0.1400. Then we are going to use $130 to make this trade. Then after I have set this, I'll simply click on buy. All right, click on buy. Then now the limit order has been set. The price is 0.1400. Then now I'll click on buy pop card. Now once you see this notification up here, now you have successfully placed your trade. You have told the robot to, hey, I will need you to buy a pop card worth of $130 once the price gets to 0.1400. And now all you have to do is just keep calm, watch everything, sleep, and that's it. Maybe when you wake up in the morning, or maybe after 2 days, the order must have been fulfilled. Then once it is fulfilled, all you have to do is simply come back here, go to this cell, and set the price that you want to sell the pop cards. Okay, that's how you see the sell order, sell order, sell order. Now we need to buy again. So once you do this, when you do this often and on, you're consistent. Okay, you have to be very consistent. You buy, you sell, you buy, you sell. You watch your charts, make sure that you read your chart very well, know when to buy and when not to buy, and you keep doing this over and over and over again. Within 2 weeks, believe you me, you will make a reasonable amount of money. All right, for the past 4 days or 5 days now, I haven't even done anything. I just bought and I left it. I was busy, but now today I will start again. Within this week, I'm looking at making at least $200 between now and the next 7 days. Okay, this is how to do it, and this is the strategy I have applied, and it worked for me, and I decided to share it with everybody. So to make money is very easy. All you have to do is just find a simple strategy that works, and once you've got that, keep pushing and keep doing it. Repeat what you're doing that works for you over and over and over and over and over again until you have made a reasonable amount of money. Then you can scale up. You don't stop when you've made money. You make money, then you start again. You keep doing it. Yeah, that's how you become a millionaire or even a billionaire. So see you in the next video, where we'll talk about some other things and how to even make bigger bucks using this Bybit or buy limit market order. All right, see you guys in the next video, and do not fail or forget to subscribe, because we are going to be dropping back-to-back videos to show you how to make money online, to show you how to make money buying meme coin and selling meme coin. See you. Peace and love.